Vision, a transformative learning institution producing globally competitive graduates. Mission, to deliver quality education and dynamic instruction, relevant researches, and sustainable extension programs gearing towards socio-economic development. Core values, MONCAS, A. Moral uprightness, O. Optimism, N. Nationalism, C. Compassion, A. Adaptability, A. Service, T. Teamwork. Goals 1. Produce competent graduates. 2. Foster strong linkage and networks. 3. Synergize human capital.